How to repair a TV. What kind is it? Television is broken anymore. Objective. Television needs any to fix broken as excerpt by derived from unable to watching TV show, drama, series, movie, and cartoon show are damaged when it's broken or calling many things about struggle a watching TV's aforementioned with remember yourself anymore. Open a screwdriver when unable to watching TV. Find a cutting plier. Apply to item on TV. Find TV breaks with the crowbar. The broken television is completed and run away come to the people.